Hello there and welcome to the video. So what I would like to show you in this video is how to be successful as an ISA presenter. It's going to serve as a guide for you to be able to be successful in your Lighthouse content, from picking your topic, getting set up with uploading the videos, topics to choose, and the works. So this video is going to serve as a guide for you to be able to do that successfully, because at this point, if you're watching this, you've raised your hand and you've said yes to getting the message out there, doing your part, whether it's a 5-minute video or a 15-minute video or an hour-long video. You've raised your hand, you've said yes, and you want to learn how to use that skill that God has given you to share health saving health with others. And so I am really happy to be a part of this journey and that you're going on it, that we're going on it together. So the first thing you want to do is we've created a system of success for you. You want to go to ayouthfullife.com/start. And you click enter, and it will lead you to this page. Actually, it will not lead you to this page. It will actually lead you to here. And once you get to that page, you want to click on resources. And then when you click on resources, you go to ISA presenters creating Lighthouse content. And then that is where you'll see all the different steps and what you need to post your first story selling video. Pretty simple, but I'm going to be walking you through them one by one. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to I'll show you how to download Canva and duplicate the presentation into your personal Canva account. Now, this is our team's account, and so we already have Canva, but what you can do is, if you don't already have the app downloaded, it's probably going to open up in Canva for me, because I'm already logged in. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to go in incognito. For you, you might not need to do this, but I need to do it because I'm already logged in everywhere. So you go to canva.com, and then it'll lead you to this page. And then if you don't already have an account, you go right here, hit sign up. You decide however it is that you want to sign in, whether it's with Google, Facebook, or an email, and you go from there. Once you're inside of Canva, you'll have access to all the different features that Canva has to offer in the free version, which will be more than enough for you to be able to do this successfully. And if you do want to upgrade to the premium Canva, how do you say it, system, then you can message us and we might be able to do that for you. We have a discount that we can offer. But this is what the premium version looks like, but you can definitely get by with the free version. It's not needed for the other one. So once you on the start page on your resources, which this is where you went, you click resources when it took you here, and then it popped up in ISA presenters, and then step number 1. We laid it out nicely for you. So you've created your free account if you didn't have one, and then you just simply come down to number 2, and it says click here to duplicate the master presentation into your content. Now, what is a master presentation? If you haven't heard of it yet, which you probably would have by this point, but we do a weekly webinar on Thursdays, and that one is about 90 minutes long, where we share the bigger version of the little small story selling videos that you will be creating. And so the master presentation is just a presentation that we use for this webinar. So it has hundreds of slides, which, don't get overwhelmed, you don't need hundreds of slides for each of your videos. And you'll see what I mean next. So you click here to duplicate it, and this should be what pops up it'll say a template created by Enoch Leffelma was shared with you. Start designing now. So what you want to do, for me, it has edit template because I'm logged into that account. For you, it might not have that. I'm actually not sure what that looks like in a free account, but you want to use this template for a new design. And so let me show you what that looks like. Use a template for a new design, and it will say copy of Katharina's health webinar because she's the one that's doing it. And so you'll just change it to, let's just say your name is Jane. You'll just change it to Jane Doe's health webinar, or Jane Doe's webinar master slides. Let's just call it that. Whatever your name is, webinar master slides. And this one you can just finagle with it as you please because it is now yours and it is now in your account. So don't be afraid if this looks like it didn't change. Just give it some time and it should load up and reflect the same thing as down here. But if it says Katharina's Health Webinar, you're in the right place. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of different slides. You have a wide variety to choose from. And I'll show you what this should mean to you and how to get started with them in the next video. But that was just to create your, go back, create your free Canva account, and then duplicate the slides into your account. Once you've done that, you're ready to move on to step 2, which is picking your first topic to present from the Forever Pack Lighthouse Content Ideas page. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.